is just start. You see this little parrot and a puppet bee, and I got some audience set up, and wait for it. Hair for this little puppet. So let's start reading. Oh, and the title says Little Puppet. It was Little Parrot's first day in the jungle. "What's your name?" asked Croak the frog. "Squawk," said Little Parrot, shaking his head. "I don't have one. What would suit me?" Next page. Hiss. The snake looked up into the blue sky. You fly there, so how about Bluey?" he said. "Squawk," the little parrot, shaking his head. "That's not white. I'm red and green, not blue," said the little parrot. Flutter, the butterfly, popped out of a flower. "How about flower?" he Snap! The crocodile peeped out of the river. "Splash! Splash is a very nice name," said Snap. "Squawk," said the little parrot, shaking his head. "Not for me. I can't swim. I hate getting wet." Pull some hair. Look how his hair's gone now. Yeah. It started to rain. "Squawk!" cried Little Parrot. That's it," laughed Croak. And the others? Squawk nodded. Squawk nodded. What? Sk. Oh, squawk, nodded the little parrot's head. "You're right. Squawk is the perfect name for me." And just checking if there's another page. And at the back it has some little things. So titles in this series: Little Ducking, Little Frog, Little Panda, Little Parrot. Little Parrot is trying to choose a name, but will his friends find the right one for him? We know the answer. Yes. And goodbye.